Tell us about your company.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Our company is a PMI Rate Pro. We aggregate private mortgage insurance for mortgage lenders. It allows mortgage lenders to offer the cheapest private mortgage insurance when home buyers are buying a home. We're a technology company.
How did you find out about Fullscale?
I got introduced to your previous Matt through some of our investors. I heard so much good stuff from so many different people, so we decided to utilize Fullscale as an extension of our team.
What problem were you trying to solve when you found Fullscale?
Once we got investment, we needed to rebuild everything from scratch. And we hired a new CTO, and the CTO needed to have teams to kind of develop everything, right? So Fullscale's team was perfect in helping us rebuild our MVP that we had already built.
What alternatives did you consider?
We had talked to many developer shops similar to Fullscale. We've actually even tried another shop and we didn't really have much success. Fullscale has been the one that we've been able to contract with the longest compared to other dev shops.
So what was different about that experience compared to the other dev agencies?
I think first and foremost, language barrier was not an issue. The people at Fullscale came very prepared with technical talent as well as great English, and they were able to just come in and learn. The developers are younger and ready to learn and try new things, and they get work done really fast, good quality work. If there was anything missing, there was very good systems through Fullscale that they would just train their developers. For example, we've had not such good success onboarding other dev shop developers because they didn't have good testing mechanisms, or I think it's called like a doc something, where they would have internal hosting to kind of test out their product. I can't remember exactly what it's called. Other developer shops, like if the developer wasn't fully aware of how the system worked, then they would take weeks to just kind of come up to speed, where Fullscale had like training already within the company, and we're like, okay, that this developer that you hired is not sufficient in this software, but we'll get him trained within a couple days. And so there was this group of, I think, developers that helped our certain developer get trained really fast, and the systems of like seeing who you are ready to hire, what skills there are, the interview, email, like they're just such good systems built that when you're ready to kind of expand and add to your team, it's kind of out of the box and you're equipped with a really good talented person.
What is your favorite part about working with the Fullscale team?
I think it's the systems, right? There was really no guessing games there. We just knew that the work was going to be good quality, the people are good quality, and we could just trust it. We didn't have any concerns of are they going to be good? There just was such a good reputation, I think, and it was kind of proven from the day one that we've hired teams from Fullscale.
What should others know about Fullscale?
I think that, instead of wasting a bunch of time trying to go to different developer shops, just know that Fullscale's done it and they've built systems, and your developers that you will get through Fullscale is very high quality. So give it a try. I think I have heard from other entrepreneurs that usually, if you have your own internal CTO, that's when, adding more developers from Fullscale would really just help expand your team. And that's been my experience. So find your own, internal CTO if possible, and then hire on the team to really help your CTO grow and build from there.
That's a great suggestion. I recommended somebody today to hire a fractional CTO for those reasons. So
perfect.